Yo, the first time I watch this man crack up, yo. The first time I watch it about a million times. Boy, mama not easy. Mama must Jamaican. Yeah, man. So my time you're there work and you have some little fingersmith, man. You have your little fridge, your work fridge or your work area. You put on your things in there. And some little fingersmith go in there. The woman that do nothing more and say, "Oh, watch that. Nobody now admit say them I take you out. You want I go chew a little ghost pepper. Go chew a little ghost pepper in this. And anybody squeal out, we know say them, yo, woman not easy. And you make it so funny too. She act totally oblivious. She don't know what go on. She not see nothing. She not hear nothing. She totally unaware. While deep down, she know she are the culprit. Yo, in the next clip, tell me if you agree with Missy. When they are foreign, I talk to foreigners, you speak more English, or you say, man, not tongue, but just a chat me rab and patwa same way. Me personally, when me there foreign, I try to talk to foreigners in a more English setting. Cause here one, not me hear yet more than to hear them depend. Huh? 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 What was that? Huh? Not more than nine. So me personally, me speak more English when me I talk to foreigners. Cause them not understand what me I say. You're not me. That's me personally. Hear what she say in that clip here.
You know, I get asked all the time about my accent, so let me explain it for now. You see, Jamaicans, especially the ones who live foreign, we have the ability to turn it on and turn it off. So when me and my friend them talk, brawling patois. When I'm speaking to you guys, for you to understand me clearly, proper English. And that is one thing about being a Jamaican. We can speak properly, but we also have our mother tongue, which is patois, which is what we talk at home with a friend them also. So, yeah, when I'm talking to my friend them, brawling. But when I'm speaking to you guys, for you to understand me clearly, Queen's English. Perfect, proper English. Yeah.
Here one. And as usual, thanks for watching. On your way out, give me a like and a subscribe. Be safe out there. I'm out.